in our workshop. We will prepare delivery of our process shearing machines to our Philippine customs. Okay, now we want to give you some images about our guillotine type shearing machines. Let's see which kind of our shearing machines we will send now. Now here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sets shearing machines. It's 6 millimeter and 3.2 neffs. Because this custom the voltage is different. The voltage is different with China. So now we can we need the frequency inventor to test the machine. So now we prepare this machine is ready for work and show you more images about our shearing machines. First, let's introduce from our controller. This is one type of guillotine shearing machine. Usually some customs ask us what is difference between swing beam and guillotine, and we can give you some another difference. The main difference is guillotine shearing machine we can adjust the shearing angle. Just like here, we can increase and decrease the shearing angle according to your metal thickness. And both the guillotine and swing beam shear machine this is for the blade thickness adjust. We can adjust this according to this side for small, this side for knife clearance, for the adjust the knife clearance. This is the difference. Okay. Now I want to give you, this is the E21S controller, and this is the single knife. When it collects the electrical, it shows it is night. This is the power switch, and this is for the oil pump start or start. This is for stop. Now we can start the machine now. Okay, this is for switch the controller, start and open. Now we open the controller, and this is for the light cutting knife. Let's show you. And this is for the acronym filtering. This is because this kind of small guillotine shearing machine is nitrogen retain. Maybe after one or 2 years, you need to fit in the nitrogen. When you need to fill in the nitrogen, maybe if you think the shearing blade is counter up and down smoothly, maybe you need to fill in the nitrogen. You can, here is the nitrogen tag. Okay, now we give you more image about this. This is our NC controller. Usually, you know, this NC controller is matched with AC motor, lots of motor. Usually, we match this controller with frequency inventor. Let me show you our electrical cabinet. Frequency inventor, so that we can guarantee the back gauge more high accuracy. So the back gauge maybe can stop find the reference point in 1 time. Now, because our customer wants we test the machine back gauge for him and cut all the pieces for him. Now, let's show you how to program the back gauge in this controller. We check the point, and the back gauge is moved. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's start the cutting. Okay. Now, because this custom we cutting this small this plate to small pieces for him. We already similar finished this job for him. Now, after this, we will packing and send all the machine to Shanghai port. Okay, friends. Today's if you have more inquiry or requirement for the shearing machines, please contact with us. Just tell us how many thickness metal material you want to cut, which kind of metal material, and the length of the metal, so that we can suggest you ideal shearing machines. Okay, today we'll finish our live show and share the more information about shearing machine. Thank you.